Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Read the passage from I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. That is a very good job, Mrs. Henderson. You should be proud. You can put your dress back on, Marguerite. No ma'am, pride is a sin, and according to the good book, it goeth before a fall. That's right. So the Bible says. It's a good thing to keep in mind. What is the best analysis of this passage? It entertains the reader because it contrasts what Mama says with what she does. It informs the reader because it describes the importance. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.